Come and see the light of God. Come and see the light, oh, amen. Come and see the light of God. Come and see the light, oh, amen. I have seen the light of God. I have seen the light, oh, amen. I have seen the
Light for all life, light for all life, electricity for all life. Discover a permanent electricity solution today. Are you tired of electricity problems and high energy costs in Nigeria? Imagine having uninterrupted electricity for a lifetime at an affordable price. Reach out to us today at 09025 383 497 09025 383 497. Did you know there are 4 innovative methods for installing solar energy systems? Sadly, most Nigerians are stuck with just one expensive method that relies on solar or inverter batteries, charger controller, inverter cables, and panels. Are you ready to embrace a better solar energy solution? Contact us at 09025 383 497. Have you spent upwards of 1 million naira on a solar energy system with costly solar and inverter batteries only to discover it can't even power your essential high energy appliances like cooker, irons, and pumping machines? It is time to upgrade to a reliable battery-free solar energy system. With approximately 2,000 hours of sunshine annually and 10 regular hours of brightness daily in Nigeria, you can benefit from this free natural energy, even during the rainy season. Contact us now at 09025 383 497. Do you want you and your future generation to become independent solar electricity suppliers? Say goodbye to those recurring expenses such as electric bills, cooking gas, fuel, and high cost of solar inverter batteries. Reach out to us today at 09025 383 497. Are you aware that incorporating solar or inverter batteries which can fail, drain, die, or deplete into your daytime solar system means you are falling behind or backward in the latest advancement in solar technology? Are you interested in receiving private training on the 4 solar energy installation methods to launch a career, earn extra income, or become your own solar electricity supplier? Contact us now at 09025 383 497. Ready to save significantly by utilizing cutting-edge battery solar technology? Don't miss out. Call or chat with us today at 09025 383 497. This month, take advantage of our incredible promotion. Free installation services of up to 12 solar panels. Do you have plans for your business but struggle due to an unreliable electricity supply? We can help. Reach out at 09025 383 497. Meteorite Solar Electricity Company. Light for all life. Meet our visionary Chief Executive Officer Pastor Emmanuel Shedra, who holds a Bachelor of Science from Nigeria University, a Master of Science from a Russian university, and an MBA from Europe. Can you believe that during his 20 years abroad, he never experienced a single blackout? In 2019, Pastor Emma saw the challenges posed by Nigeria's electricity issue and began his quest for better solutions. By 2023, he invented a revolutionary solar system that operates without batteries. Now he enjoys the same reliable electricity in his Ogun State home that he experienced overseas, thanks to 11 solar panels and Meteorite solar engine without batteries. Wouldn't you love that kind of freedom? Light for all life, no recurring energy expenses. Contact us today at 09025 383 497. Don't let this limited time promotional offer pass you by. Seize the opportunity for your installation with Meteorite Solar Energy Company. To explore our project, photos and videos from both Lagos and beyond, visit our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@light4all-life. One word, light for all life as one word. Chat 09025 383 497 09025 383 497. And God said,
I have seen the
Let there be light, and there was light.